The lawnmower is coming towards me. It's so smart. The minute it reaches the edge of the area, it stops on its own and turns around and starts mowing the lawn. Can you see it coming? The little car. Hi, lawnmower. It's coming to me. So it's coming to me. You can see I'm close to the ground. It didn't like me, so it is retracting itself and it changed its course. That is too funny. Alright, let's see. Let's see where it goes next. Okay, it's going towards a tree. See? It climbed up and then it went around the tree. I really don't think it's doing anything. It's just... And see, the minute it senses the cemented ground, it turns around. Hey, this is too cute. See the car coming? And here's a little lawnmower car. Hi, buddy. Step out. Oh, sweet. Somebody's going to take you away, you know that? All right, goodbye.